Are you okay?
Hi guys, for today's video I gonna show you my new toy cars.
Ouch.
This is a racing car.
It's a buzzer. Ouch.
Wow.
Mommy, ouch.
Ouch.
Mommy, gotta go really good.
Oh no, what happened?
Oh no! Okay, there's the ball. No, yay! Stop, yay! Yay, stop!
Very good. Stop that.
Go!
Oh wow. The red stop and the green go. Very good.
Mommy? Stop!
Stop.
Go!
Go.
Mommy, look. You see the bonus? Stop.
Stop.
Stop. Go. Right? Stop. Right, then the car is going. Go, it's on track. What happened, Mommy?
What happened? Oh wow. Ooh.
Mommy, what happened, Mommy? It's on the go live. What happened, Mommy?
What happened?
Oh no!
Oh.
Oh, it's on the go. What happened, Mommy? Tight, it's tight.
What?
Look.
Oh wow. Hey, stop.
Go!
Go.
Oh no! I'm gonna help all the comments fix. Look! Oh. You dead? Oh, look! Hey, yeah!
The car.
What happened to you? Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep. Go back to the bike on the sky. Oh, yes. Let's go into the seat. Beep, beep, beep. I'm trying to.
How about the blue car? Slide. Blue car. Slide na. Ready, go.
Around the container.
Okay, the slide.
Got yellow. On the beach, Saya sayang. Tak sikit. Besok.
Belasan.
Okay, let's find the one. 2, 3, go. Mommy? Mommy? What? Yeah.
Oh, what happened?
Let's go there and take a monster shop to beat fight. Please, kayo monster shop. Yeah.
Oh, the police car. Help me. Help me.
Please, save monster shop. Run, keep go. Okay. Bye-bye, guys.
And that's for today's vlog guys. Thank you for keeping watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell for update and upcoming videos.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye-bye, guys. Yeah, guys.
Say thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Oh, no.